I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up PayPal for Shopify. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. From there, navigate to the Payments section. You will then select PayPal from the list of available payment providers. If you already have a PayPal business account, simply log in. If not, you will be prompted to create a new one to proceed with the setup. This initial step is crucial for integrating your store's payment processing. Once you've selected PayPal, you'll be guided through a secure authorization process. Carefully follow the on-screen prompts to link your Shopify store with your PayPal account. It's important to ensure your PayPal account is fully verified. This helps prevent any potential transaction limits or holds. Also, take a moment to review the permissions Shopify requests to process payments on your behalf, ensuring everything aligns with your preferences. After connecting, you can customize your PayPal settings directly within Shopify. This includes configuring PayPal Express Checkout, which offers a streamlined customer experience. You can also choose to enable or disable specific payment methods, such as accepting credit cards through PayPal. Decide whether you want to automatically capture payments when an order is placed or prefer to manually capture them later. These settings give you control over your checkout process. Before going live, it is essential to perform a test transaction. Place a small order on your own store, selecting PayPal as the payment method to ensure everything functions as expected from a customer's perspective. Verify that the payment processes correctly and the order appears in your Shopify admin. Once you've confirmed that PayPal is working seamlessly, your payment gateway is fully ready to accept customer payments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.